Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale TFT. This exciting new game mode combines the strategic depth of auto-battlers with the iconic units from Clash Royale. Your goal is to assemble a powerful team by drafting units from a shared pool, then strategically positioning them on your battle arena. Economic management, such as saving gold for interest or making critical shop refreshes, plays a pivotal role. Learning the unique synergies between different units is essential for dominating your opponents and securing victory. Every round presents a fresh shop with a randomized selection of units for you to consider purchasing. Collecting 3 identical units automatically merges them into a more powerful, 2-star version, greatly boosting their statistics and abilities. Careful positioning of your units on the 8x8 grid is paramount, as it determines attack priorities and spell targeting. Place robust tanks in the front to absorb damage, shielding your fragile but high-damage units positioned safely behind them. This arrangement is often key to winning engagements. Understanding unit synergies is crucial for maximizing your team's potential. As you accumulate more units from the same class or origin, powerful bonuses activate, granting your team or specific units significant advantages. For example, 3 goblins might provide bonus attack speed, or 3 royal recruits could grant bonus health. Furthermore, items acquired from combat or special rounds can be equipped to enhance unit capabilities. Combining 2 component items creates a powerful completed item, offering even greater strategic depth in your battles. Mastering the economy is fundamental to long-term success in Clash Royale TFT. You earn gold by winning, losing, and from interest on saved gold. Holding 10 gold typically grants 1 bonus gold per round, with up to 5 extra gold available at 50 gold saved. Spending gold allows you to refresh your shop for new units or purchase experience points to level up. Increasing your level lets you field more units, vital for your late-game strategy. Adapting your compositions to counter opponents is crucial for securing ultimate victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.